Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch Flexidome camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. And you might want to do this for a couple reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If you're having issues where this camera will not connect to the Wi-Fi, or it won't pair with your devices or sync with the app, or if it's otherwise not responding, if it's lagging, if it's frozen, these kind of issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory defaults. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to set this camera up in a new place, on a new Wi-Fi network, etc., and you just want to start totally new as though you were taking this camera out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. Now, there are many different models of Bosch Flexidome cameras, but they all have a button that looks similar to this underneath the cover that you will need to remove. Once you find this button, you'll just come in and press and hold it, and you need to have power to the camera. It should be on. You're going to press and hold this until this light starts to blink quickly red. Once you do that, you can let go because the reset has begun. And then it'll go through a series of lights. The light will actually turn off while it's doing a self-check. Then it'll turn back on red. And when it is completely back on and ready to be reconnected and repaired, it will turn green again.